Hey everybody, here's my 2012 LG 6000 BTU window air conditioner all cleaned up and assembled. All cleaned up unlike before. Came out pretty good. See, there's the case. There's a compressor in there. Back here is the LG decal that I shined up. Straightened the fins on the back as best as I could. It's inside. So we're gonna fire it up. Here we go. Can't see the LEDs because of the sun. And we're off. Like I said, the sun's making it hard to see. It is time for a temp check. Let's see what we get. Here we're using a multimeter with a little thermistor on the end. I don't know if I get it to focus. There it is. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't touch anything so we can get a reliable reading. I'm just gonna carefully hold it. That should be giving us a pretty good reading. Pretty cold. It feels cold. Like holding my hand there, it's getting pretty cold. 39 degrees. And somebody threw this away. Fan 3's like. Probably get let's see another reading on fan 3. That's your rating on fan 3. Feels pretty good, I gotta say. Let's get an intake. It is currently about 72 to 73 degrees outside. About 72. Says we're taking in about 60. I mean, it's pretty close. Seems about right to me. Yeah, that seems about right to me. Well, let's see what's coming out of it. Coming out, we probably got about 80 or so, maybe 85-ish. We're about to find out. $90. Not bad. Pretty good, actually. And somebody threw this thing on the curb. It doesn't seem like it had too many hours on it, being from 2012. That feels really good. Oh, there's your working air conditioner. LEDs. Alrighty, I guess that'll be it. We'll shut it down and wrap this video up. Here we go. Hear the refrigerator moving around in there. If you're curious, this is R410A. I am more than satisfied with that. So I think we'll end it off there. I'll get this thing inside and hold on to it, see what happens. Need to find the wings. The wings that I found with this one were trash. They were broken in pieces. They were there, but they were in pieces, so I just took them off as soon as I got it and threw them away. So, with that said, that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.